Today is the first video of a long playlist where I'll be showcasing Vadoo AI's features across many different apps and tools. For a while now, I have been creating reviews on lifetime deals only, and Vadoo AI was on Appsumo and has been in the last few months. I believe it's twice, and it has grown massively over those few months. It's added so many features that I genuinely need to create a playlist to show them all to you guys. This video is basically going to be a overview of some of the apps that you can use, some of the tools, and just going over some of the features that are available on the Vadoo AI platform. Now, Vadoo AI isn't on a lifetime deal at the moment. It is subscription based, but the reason I'm doing a playlist for Vadoo AI is because the quality of the tools that they have, the advanced features that are available, to me makes it worthy of demonstrating and showcasing everything that it can do. So the subscription packages are actually very reasonable, and they have a Discord group here where you can actually get free credits. And the starter package is $19 a month. Then you have the Pro at $39 and the Advanced at $69. But when you consider how many features are available, you will see that this is actually a very good deal. And of course, it depends on how often you're going to use some of these features, what you're going to use them for, and various other options that come into play. What I really like, and I think other tools should take this into consideration, is you can actually top up with credits. So if, for instance, you don't want to be on the Pro or Advanced subscription, you can go with the starter package. And if you run out of credits per month, you can top up with 900 credits for $10, 1,800 credits for $20, or 4,500 credits for $50. Or you can just add in the select custom credit amount. So say if I want to, let's go with 6,030 for instance, that will automatically tally up to $67. What's strange though is you can't actually come in here and type the number in. You have to keep clicking this plus or minus icon, which is fine, but if you want more credits or a precise amount, you do need to do this the way that it allows you to. Now, the overall look and feel of the tool is very premium. And when I first used it, it wasn't like this at all. They actually had quite a lot of work to do, but now it's just very seamless, nice animations when you hover over these different apps. And another thing to note, that this is optimized for mobile, which is just amazing considering the amount of features that are available here. So what do we have on the dashboard page? Well, in the top right hand corner, there's this login streak. So if you log in every day, you can actually earn more credits like this. So a really nice way to provide an incentive to keep coming back daily. Next to that, we have remaining credits. And this is really handy to see because depending on the app or the tool that you're using, the credits that are deducted can change depending on maybe a model that you're using, especially a video one or an image generation. So you can see this go down in almost real time after you have generated some content. Now on the top here, there is a slider with a nice transition. It will provide you with some of the highlighted features that are available right now. They have the new Midjourney 7, which has been implemented. They have Hollywood Magic, 40 epic motion controls, and we'll be covering all this over various videos that are coming up. So below that, we have all the AI apps that are available. First of all, we have AI Story, which allows you to generate a video from text to video, blog to video, and audio to video. So I'm not going to go into all the details, but essentially you can choose what the story can be about. You can choose from all these different voices, and it does use 11 labs, so the quality is really good. And then you can choose a consistent character if you want, the image models, and you can choose from a bunch of styles. And then you can also choose the aspect ratio, and you can also choose the duration, and it's from as low as 30 to 60 seconds to 10 minutes, which is crazy. And for a 10-minute video, it only costs you 500 credits, which is quite reasonable for a long video. For blog to video, it's the same, but you can paste in your URL and it will take that content from the blog and it will create a video for you. And then you have audio to video. So you would upload your audio and the AI would create a video based on that audio. So really cool. The next app is AI Video, and I'm going to really dive in deeply with this one, but look at everything you can do. You can choose from all these different video models. You can choose the aspect ratio. You can choose AI effects, motion controls, VFX, all these other options. It's just mind blowing. Then we have AI influencer, which is very popular for platforms like Instagram. You can choose from these pre-made models. You can create your own character. If we go into one, you have a bunch of different tools that you can use. And this is just one that I did the other day. So really cool. And of course, we'll be looking into that a bit more. Another big feature is AI image, and they've really added some excellent settings in here. You can adjust all these different settings on the side. You can choose from a bunch of models, and these are all the latest. Then you can choose the aspect ratio, add LoRa or LoRa. So there's all these different frames and styles you can choose from. You can even add in AI effects, enhance your prompt, add a bunch of styles, and you can select up to 4 images if you want. Then of course afterwards you can edit the image. You can add variations, make it into a video, upscale it, and all this good stuff. Next up, we have AI music. So you can actually generate music with AI. Originally, they had audio, which was very restricted. You couldn't create instrumentals, but now you can. You can simply describe your song. They have all these different tools where you can remix a song, you can replace a part of a song, you can extend it. So this is more than I've seen in most apps. And then if we just click instrumental, you can choose from these different modes. And we'll be covering these in detail, but for a lot of them, you can have up to 180 seconds. And some of them even more, 240. And then you can add in your own lyrics. You can upload some lyrics. So really advanced features here. Now, you also have features like Train LoRa, which looks really good. And I haven't actually used this yet, so it'd be interesting to see how that works when we come to that. Then if we scroll across, we have image to 3D, and that's something that looks really awesome. So we'll be covering that. AI captions. So you can upload your shorts video up to 600 megabytes, and you can add some really nice captions to your video. Then we have AI cut, another big feature. And what you essentially do here is you'll add in your long form video, and it will basically cut selected clips that the AI thinks is relevant, and it will create multiple shorts. It will even provide you with a viral score, and for each one you can edit it as well. And we'll be covering this in another video. And then the last one we have is fake text. So you might have seen videos such as text or WhatsApp messages like this that are on background videos. They're very engaging, and there's videos that get hundreds and thousands of views like this. And you can even upload your own background, add in your script, or get the AI to create one. Now, moving slightly down, we have AI tools, and you wouldn't believe how many features there are on Vadoo AI. And you can also access this under AI apps. So you have all these different apps that you can use. They have the AI Ghibli style, where you upload an image, it will turn it into that format. Anime art generator, object eraser. So this can replace a lot of tools. AI product, shot, AI thumbnail maker, and I haven't used all of these. I have used a few. They also have a discover area on the homepage where you can see what other users have created, and you can filter out for videos, AI images, AI captions, AI story, fake text videos, AI podcast, and even AI music. So I really like this, and it gives you an example of what you can generate on Vadoo AI. When you generate content, depending on what it is, you can see all your videos here. So I've generated quite a few. You can also see all the images you've created and the music and the 3D images. There's also a calendar page where you can actually connect your YouTube and TikTok account, and you can directly upload your videos to the platforms. You can also input a webhook URL to connect to your other apps. One of the latest features that they've added is the video editor. It's not as advanced as other editors, but it's a good starting point, and they have various aspect ratios. They allow you to upload audio or choose from their premium selection. You can add in text, you can add in images that you've already created, and of course you can add in your videos. So this is a quick way of generating more advanced videos the way that you want to. And of course you can mix and match any of these, and you can add in more tracks, you can mix and match them, you can zoom in and zoom out, you can clip as well. Now they also have a light mode option, and I have to say it pretty much looks just as good as the dark version. Everything blends in well. I do personally prefer dark, it's just easier on the eyes. Under activity, whatever tool or app you are using, it will tell you how much in credits that cost. So you can get a good understanding of what the expenses for each tool that you use. So I really like this, and it's very simple to see this. The support is top notch. I would reach out to them on Discord. They're very active on there. They constantly update weekly, add new models in. So I'm really excited to show you all the features of Vadoo AI, and I will see you on the next video where we will be covering AI story in depth.